All right, I'm starting over. I started before. I have a blank one of these. This is up, by the way. It's called Geometry Filled In. All right, and these are the notes we would have taken. And then I sat here and I filmed me writing. I don't know. I guess paint drying would come in a close second as most boring thing to watch than me writing. Look, it's already written. We'll go over this page, all right, and the next term, and then that'll be it for today. But the homework mixes up two different things. So I'll do this today, I'll do it tomorrow, and put the worksheet up, okay? All right, so the first term is a point, and a point is an exact location. And it looks like a dot, okay? And we'll call it point T for tulip, all right? And we will call it point, say it as point T, okay? Point T, like my head. All right, hey, here's the next one is a line. And a line is a straight path that goes on forever in opposite directions. All right, let me draw this. And you put arrows at the end to indicate that it goes on. Okay? All right. And you put a point here. You put a point here. And we'll name this, let's see. We'll name this after Emma. This is point E. And this is point Y. So this would be line EY. Okay? Now, there's a shorthand way to do it. You write EY, and then above it, you draw that. And that means line EY. Okay? And the next one is array. It's a part of a line. It has one endpoint and goes on forever in one direction. So I'm going to draw an endpoint. And see, there's one arrow, but it ends here. We'll name this one after Natalie. Okay? So that would be Ray ND. Okay? Now, you can shorthand that as well. You go like this. You don't have to put the endpoint. You just have to have one arrow. Okay? So that's Ray ND. All right? Oh, by the way, the first letter of the name is the endpoint. Okay? Ooh, I should have said that. All right? All right? I can draw another one where it goes that way. And draw one here. And here. All right? Oh, we need a boy. Who should we do? Let's see. We'll put a C here. And an H here. Who's that for? Caleb. All right? And that would be Ray CH. Even though the H comes first in the line, you start by naming the endpoint. Okay? A line segment. That's part of a line that has two endpoints. What? Looks like a barbell. Okay? Let's see. Oh, J N. Line segment. And that would be line segment. Oh boy, it's hard to write like this. J N. I'm writing through my phone. Okay? And then the shorthand would be JN with just this over. See? You don't have to draw endpoints, but there's no arrows on it. So that's a line segment. That's Jordan. Hey, Jordan. Look at that. Congruent, things that are the same size and shape. That's just on there. Okay? Not to, they could be different colors. All right? They're still congruent. Things that are the same size and shape. And we'll go to this. And we'll stop with this one. A plane. It's a flat surface that goes on forever in all directions. And usually they draw this shape. All right? And they draw arrows to show that it goes on and on. Like my talks. He doesn't stop. Oh my God, stop. Not you, Tulip. Not you. Let's say we can name this plane. Put 2 dots. And we'll put a smiley face in there too. Let's see. Who? Oh, I was going to name it after Mia M, but it would be MM. Well, we could do Mia B, and it'll be both B's. M, but we'll use a B here. And that's plain MB. All right? All right, look, next we got intersecting lines, parallel lines, perpendicular, vertexes, angles, all that stuff we'll get into. But for today, that's it. Okay? All right? So look, this filled in sheet is up there for you. You just got to memorize the things. It's too bad I have this really cool game. It's like bingo. It's called Quizmo. And it does this. It's a lot of fun once we get all our terms down. Okay? All right, I miss you all, and I'll post this tomorrow. There won't be homework with it, right? There's more to cover, and I don't want to go on forever. All right, thanks. Bye.